young faces.
मैं समाज सेवा के लिए आई हूँ और उनकी विचारधारा को जन जन तक पहुँचाने के लिए आई हूँ।
असंतोष की आवाज बन करके हम आए।
2 powerful constituencies. And one clear strategy. Appeal to voters' roots as well as the youth while redefining Bihar politics. In Darbanga's Alinagar, the BJP turned to 24-year-old folk singer Maithili Thakur, who is often dubbed Bihar's daughter. Born in Madhubani in 2000, Maithili has sung traditional folk songs in Maithili, Bhojpuri and Hindi, earning a massive following across Bihar. Her selfie with Prime Minister Narendra Modi went viral last year, further amplifying her public appeal.
मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से काफ़ी प्रभावित हूँ और साथ ही साथ बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी से उनसे इंस्पायर होकर के आज मैं उनके सहयोग के लिए यहाँ पर खड़ी हूँ। मैं समाज सेवा के लिए आई हूँ और उनकी विचारधारा को जन जन तक पहुँचाने के लिए आई हूँ। पार्टी के दिमाग में जो भी है मुझे लेकर के, मैं तो बस पार्टी का सहयोग करने के लिए यहाँ आई हूँ। पार्टी का जो आदेश होगा मैं मानूंगी।
Alinagar won't be a cakewalk for Maithili though. It has historically been a RJD stronghold, with Abdul Bari Siddiqui once dominating the seat. Mishri Lal Yadav won it in 2020 under the Vikashsheel Insan Party's banner before joining the BJP. But now he faces corruption allegations. The party hopes Maithili Thakur's local roots, cultural credibility and clean image will counter past controversies and energize the electorate ahead of the polls. The Mahagathbandhan is not behind either in youth appeal. In Patna's Digha, the CPI-ML has fielded young theatre artist and former AISA leader Divya Gautam, who happens to be late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's cousin. A well-known face in student politics, she has been actively involved in social service and grassroots activism. Though she has avoided using her famous cousin as a political tool, Divya brings youth, intellect and a service-oriented profile to the campaign.
युवाओं के मन में असंतोष है। दीघा विधानसभा क्षेत्र में जो लोग रहते हैं उसके मन में असंतोष है। उसी असंतोष की आवाज बन करके हम आए और वही चीज जिसको लेकर के हम आने वाले समय में महिलाओं के मुद्दों को लेकर के।
Digha, Bihar's largest assembly constituency, is currently held by BJP's two-term MLA Sanjeev Chaurasia. By nominating Divya Gautam, the CPI-ML aims to challenge the incumbent with a candidate who combines educational leadership, activism and local credibility, appealing to both young and urban voters. Maithili Thakur and Divya Gautam may contest in different constituencies, but both represent the same strategy, putting young, credible and locally rooted leaders at the center of Bihar politics. In Alinagar and Digha, they are emerging as symbols of a new Bihar where youth, culture and grassroots connect could decide the 2025 election outcome.